Hi, this is Christy Gregan, and I'm here with Dr. Shu.
Hello.
Dr. Shu specializes in acupuncture and nutrition and Chinese herbal medicine. So today we want to address women's menstrual problems and why they would present and come into acupuncture to get help. So let's just pick one area, the area.
Sure. A lot of women nowadays, they have irregular periods, and their periods don't come on time. Sometimes it's too early, sometimes too late, or they skip a period. Or often they maybe have headaches or even migraines associated with their period, cramps. Sometimes it's bad enough that they have to take like an Advil or Tylenol or something, or some people, they even have to take off work or school because their cramps could get that bad. Or some women, they bleed too much, they kind of bleed out every single time. Or some women, they don't bleed enough, actually. They don't have enough menstrual flow.
Or too long.
Or too long, or it's spotting. It's just like a non-regular type of periods, or they have symptoms before period like PMS, like they're really emotional and nothing really is going on, but it really interferes with their daily quality of life, or some women, even if they're not at menopause, but they could even have hot flashes, night sweats, hormonal kind of like symptoms. So, or some women, they may even have difficulty getting pregnant. That's a way that shows up as their hormonal imbalance. So with the acupuncture, we can totally help with all of the above, actually. And the way we help with it is we help regulate their hormone levels. So naturally, their period comes to a natural rhythm. So they will come on time and with minimal cramps, if any, and they don't go into this weird moodiness or strange food cravings and stuff like that. And once their hormones are balanced and their periods come on time and they ovulate regularly, it dramatically improves their chance of getting pregnant, if that's what they want.
That's absolutely fascinating. So I'm super curious. If once you regulate someone, do they have to keep coming back to stay that way? Because I'm guessing that whatever problem they're experiencing, they've probably had it for many years.
Yes. Usually with menstrual issues or hormonal issues for that matter, we need to see their periods to be regular and on track for a couple of cycles, and the cycle usually only happens once a month. So they have to receive treatments for a total of couple months, but really they only get periods a couple times. But with a couple of normal periods, then we can just kind of like release them from treatment. That they should be good on their own. But it's always a good idea to come back for kind of like maintenance type of treatment once in a while, at least a couple times a year.
Yeah.
Right? Especially during seasonal changes.
Yes.
It's always a good time to come back for maintenance. Or some women, they come maybe once a month, kind of like around their period time to get a tune-up, And usually this way, it totally prevents menstrual headache, migraines, cramps, PMS, that kind of things.
That's huge. I appreciate it. Thank you. I learned something today.
Thanks.
For more information and to request an appointment, visit gobeyondmedicine.com or call us at 859-586-0111.